Step into the Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are diesel gray black cloth bench seat, tires, 275/55 R20 all-season LRR, gross vehicle weight, 7,200 pounds, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, quick order package 28Z Bighorn included, engine 3.0L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, Bighorn badge, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum chrome-clad, WRK, diamond black crystal pearl coat, remote start system and engine, 3.0L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 included, lower active grille shutters 800 amp maintenance-free battery eco diesel badge heavy-duty engine cooling 3.8 additional gallons of diesel 200